In this video we will be cooking stir-fried chayote. Cooking oil. Sliced garlic. Sliced onions. Sliced tomatoes. Sliced bottle gourd. Soy sauce. Magic syrup seasoning. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1½ teaspoon of ajwain powder. One tablespoon of salt. Sliced green peppers. Sliced bell peppers. Done cooking.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers, good afternoon. And today for this cooking video and for my lunch, my mommy made this. This is called Chayote sabzi, or in English this is called stir-fried chayote. So I hope you enjoy watching this video so far, viewers. If you like this cooking video, please consider supporting our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to this channel, viewers. It will help a lot with our channel, viewers. And now I will have my lunch with this fried chayote, viewers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the end of the video, viewers. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Again, please, if you like this video, viewers, please consider supporting our channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on this channel, viewers. So this is the end of the video, viewers. I hope you enjoy watching it, and we'll see you on the next video. Dawami at Rako. Allah Hafiz.